Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Jira projects with Atlassian Advanced Roadmaps, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Jira instance and log in. Navigate to the project you want to update. In the left sidebar, look for the Plans option and select it. If you don't have an existing plan, click on Create Plan. If you already have a plan, click on the relevant plan to open it. Once inside the plan, review the current project settings. Locate the Issues tab to view all issues within the project. To update existing issues, click on the specific issue you wish to edit. Make necessary changes to the issue, such as adjusting the summary or description. Next, update the status of the issue by selecting from the drop-down menu. If you need to modify the priority, check the priority settings and make adjustments. For adding or updating sprint details, navigate to the sprint field and make your selection. To assign an issue to a team member, find the assignee field and choose the appropriate team member. For adding new issues, click on the Create button within the plan view. Fill in the required fields such as issue type, summary, and description. Once all details are filled in, click the Create button to save the new issue. After making all desired updates, it's essential to publish your changes. Look for the Publish button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click Publish, all changes will be reflected in the project. To verify your updates, return to your Jira project dashboard. Review the issues to ensure all changes have been applied correctly. You can also use filters to quickly find updated issues. Remember to check the timeline view to see how updates affect project planning. For ongoing management, consider scheduling regular updates to keep the plan aligned with project goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.